Setting rules for conditions. With the help of the conditional formatting, we can utilize the features of Microsoft Excel by customizing them as per our own requirements. As you can notice here on the screen, it is color-coded from the lowest to the highest sales. But if I want to view a specific range of sales, like only the top sales and the lowest sales, to in fact get highlighted, we are able to customize all these characteristics in Excel. At first, I am going to remove the conditional formatting by going to Styles, and under the conditional formatting, pull down the arrow, click on Clear Rules at the bottom. Here I can clear all the rules just from selected cells, from the entire sheet, or from a particular table. Here I want to clear it from the entire sheet. So select that and back to my normal spreadsheet on the screen. In my case, I want to highlight the highest and the lowest. But again, for that I have to highlight the area that I am going to choose. So go to the Styles, select Conditional Formatting. Now I'm going to actually apply a rule. Our first rule will be for the top 10% and the bottom 10%. First, let's choose the top 10%. So if I click on top percent, it lets me to choose the type formatting that it will get. In my case, see how it automatically went to red? If I go to the pull down, if I choose it to be in green, when I select green, it will change the color. I can even customize the format of the coloring if I want to. I'm going to choose the red. I'd also like you to note that I am not limited to 10%. I have the freedom to change my percentages to any of the percentage. Click on OK and notice top sales are now highlighted. So if I want to highlight the bottom percentage, some procedure is there. Go back up to the Styles, back to the conditional formatting, and along with top sales, I would click on bottom percentage. Notice now you can have both of the values highlighted on the screen. In my case, if I want to change the background color, I can do so and click OK. Now I can see my top and bottom sales highlighted on the screen. If I want to turn it off again, go to the conditional formatting. Clear rules, and I will remove them from my sheet. It is also useful to set up automatically for above average, below average, top and bottom. We can set even more rules. We can also highlight the cells rules, which we will discuss in our next session.